Good morning and Assalamu alaikum 7th class. How are you students? Hope so you all are fine and taking the online classes. Student, it's your science lecture. Open your science books and copies. Today is the Wednesday 28th April 2021. Student, let's start our work with the name of Allah Almighty. As we have started our chapter number 5, water. Students, I have explained you about the water in my previous video. Today I will explain you about the water consumption. Consumption mean consuming. So water consumption mean where is water consumed, where are the water is using. So students, we use water everywhere. As I have explained you that water is a universal solvent. We use water for various purposes. We use water for everything. We use water for in our daily life, in daily routine. Without the existence of water, life could not be possible. So water is very important for life. So students, we use water everywhere. Water is using everywhere. We have different points, 4 points. I have written here 4 points related to the water consumption. Where is water consuming? Number first is the in home. Student, as you all know about, water is used in our home. We are using water in our homes regularly, daily. So we use water is used in home mainly for washing. Students, we wash our clothes, we wash the dishes, we wash our homes with the help of water. So water is used in a washing purpose. Next is student cleaning. Water is used for cleaning purpose, for cleaning our skin, for cleaning our clothes, for cleaning our home. So next is flushing the toilets. Water is used in flushing the toilet. Cooking, we use water for cooking purpose. Next is drinking. We used water for drinking purpose. Drinking is the most important for us, so water is the most important for us. Next is brushing teeth. We use water for brushing our teeth. Next is laundry. We use water in laundry for washing our clothes. Next is showering. Student, we use water for showering. We shower daily and we use water daily for showering or for cleaning ourselves. Next use is in industries. Student, the main role of water in industries are: number first is raw material in food and beverages industry. Student, as you know that water is used in food and we make various food with the help of our water. Water is the most essential ingredient for the food, so it is the raw material in the food and industries. Next is for cleaning purposes in factories. Student, factories, when factories get dirty, water is used for cleaning purpose. We use the apparatus, we use our machineries, we use our kitchens. We clean our kitchens with the help of water. So for cleaning purposes in factories, we wash our dishes with the help of water. So it is very important for cleaning purposes in the factories. Next is for cooling purpose in factories. For student, water is used for cooling purposes in factories. Next is provide energy to drive turbine, steam turbine. Student, as you all know that water is used in making the industry, so it provides us the energy to drive the steam turbines in the power stations. Next point is student, the largest industrial use of water are paper, petroleum, chemical and iron and steel making industry. So the largest industries include petrol, paper, iron, steel, chemical. So all these industries use the water as a raw material, and water is very important for all these industries and factories. Next is for leisure purpose. Student, we use water for swimming, we use water for sailing, we use water for water skiing. Next, we use water for gardening. Student, next is for crops. As water is the most important and the essential component for the plant. Student, for plant to grow, water grow with the help of a plant. A plant grow with the help of a water. Students, the plant absorb the water from the roots, and photosynthesis take place with the help of water. So water is essential component for the crops to grow. So this is all about your today's topic. I have explained you about some points related to the water consumption. Student, your classwork is to write down all these important points. Now students, open your book, which is Lower Secondary Science 2, page number 56. Here is the diagram which show us about the consumption of water in our homes. Students, this diagram explains us about that we use water for showering purpose, for cleaning the houses, for brushing teeth, for washing hands and faces, food and drink preparation, washing dishes, laundry, toilet flushing. Here are given some percentages of these water consumption, that we use 44.8% of water in the showering purpose. Next is we use 18.3% of water for toilet flushing. Next, we use 14.1% of water for laundry purpose, for washing our clothes. Next is washing dishes. We use 5.3% of water for washing our dishes. Next is food and drink preparation. Students, we use 4.9% of the water for food and the drink preparation. Next is washing hands and faces. We use 4.3% water for washing our hands and faces. Next is 3.0% of water is used for brushing our teeth. Next, you all brush your teeth daily and you use 3.0% of water daily for in the your brushing your teeth. Next is student, 2.9% of water is used in the cleaning the house. Next, other mean swimming or various various purposes, water is used for various purposes, only 2.4%. so this is all about your today's topic. Student, write down the points as a classwork, water consumption, and draw this diagram of water consumption as your homework. Thank you students.